All your systems are looking good. Going around the corner. We'll see you on the other side.
Hey guys, Blue Earth Thing here, and it's the day. It's roof day. Time to take this roof off this shed and get it to open. Oh, I hope we have enough daylight. This sucks.
Start it up.
What happened?
I hate this thing.
So now it's time to test out the wiring in the shed. Here's my very professional test setup. The whole thing is running on a 9-volt battery. Let's see if this works. So now we're inside. On the other side of this wall, we have the circuit breaker box, and everything feeds into this switch panel. The bottom switch right here controls the lights in the work area. This one controls the sockets in the loft, and this one controls the sockets in the work area. We expect to get about 9.5 volts at every point. Well, shit. So, the light circuit.
Time to open this thing for the first time. It's heavy. Well, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning and we just got 1/2 of the roof done. We're probably gonna call it quits there. It's hinged, it opens, and we're satisfied. So, we're gonna go get some sleep. We'll see you guys next time. Next week, hopefully. Blue Earth Thing out.